What's up YouTube, it's User here, and today I've got an update for you, and today I'm going to show you Deep Red on Blu-ray. As you can see, it's still sealed, so let's open it up and take a look. Okay, so it comes with a nice slipcase, Dario Argento's Deep Red by Arrow Video, and certificate 18. Very nice artwork on the front. The top, Dario Argento's Deep Red, nothing at the bottom. On the spine, Arrow Video, Dario Argento's Deep Red with 18 certificate at the bottom. Now on the back, we see that this is Region B, and this is a 3-disc limited edition. It comes with a nice selection of special features, as always, from Arrow Video. Blu-ray Disc 1 is the Deep Red original version. Blu-ray Disc 2 is the Deep Red export version, limited edition exclusive. The third disc is a CD disc with the complete original soundtrack recording, which is a limited edition exclusive. The runtime for the two movies is 127 minutes and 105 minutes. Audio is DTS HD Master Audio Mono 1.0, DTS HD Master Audio 5.1. Power Color, language Italian English, subtitles are English. Now inside we find we have 6 postcards. Some nice artwork on them. And on the back we have some artwork which is exactly the same. Very nice. We have the reversible poster, side 1 and side 2. It's a very nice poster. Onto the booklet, the front, side and back. Now I'm going to take a quick flick through. It's got to be nothing in depth, but I'm going to try my best with one hand.